Hey, 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 the old Caddyman's back with another one of our famous lunch bowls. Yeah, this is something you can do easy for lunch. We're actually making them all on Sunday for lunch during the week. As I say all the time, if I can do it, anyone can do it. Angie's come up with these recipes and they're fabulous. And even Jay Sprinkley likes them. Yeah, can you believe that? Okay, here we go. The old taco bowl. Yep, you start out with a little dressing in the bottom if you want. We always put a little dressing in because the rice is just a little dry. So we're going to try some guac and some Thousand Island. You can use anything that you choose to use. Okay. Then I'm going to add in the rice, remember, like a buck a pack. Easy peasy. Put in half of this one in this bowl, half in this bowl. Try to make them even though the Caddyman needs more, because he's a bigger guy. Smooth it out. Okay. That being done, move on to your ground beef, and this is the 93. No, I'm sorry, 96. If you don't think this isn't healthy, and the Caddyman does need that. Keep his heart healthy. Okay, mix this up, make it even. A little taco seasoning for a little extra taste there. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, beans. You can use any kind of beans you want to use. We're going to do some pinto beans today. Black beans would be great also. Like I said, how easy is this? If Caddyman can do it, anybody can do it. Corn, once of champions. We're using frozen corn because when we heat it up, it's going to cook. Okay? Get that looking good. And you notice I am cheating a little bit. I'm getting more on mine. There you go. Tomatoes. Little tiny tomatoes. We actually grew these in our garden this year and they were great. We've run out of them, but you can actually use salsa if you want. We just happen to use the little tomatoes because I like them better. Now, last but not least is some cheese. We're using our queso cheese because we think it has more flavor. Look how this is coming out. Last but not least, who doesn't love Doritos? Now, does this not look like a taco? Taco Bell's got nothing on me. Neither do you, Tom Ferguson at Mexican Villa. Okay. Now, optionally, if you wanted to make it into a taco salad, you could actually put lettuce on this now, but we're not going to because you know how lettuce doesn't keep very long, make it be yucky. So we're not going to. But this is what I want you to do. Make these at home on Sunday. Then you've got them for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever day you want. They're already done. You take them, you stick them in the microwave, you stir them up, you eat them. How easy is that? It's a miracle. No, it's not. It's easy. All you got to do is add the microwave and a little love, 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 and you got it. Come see me now, you hear? Bye now.